Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of activating your Square Seller account with a fast setup specifically designed for small businesses. Follow these simple step-by-step instructions to get your account up and running in no time. Step 1. Visit the Square website. Go to the official Square website at square.com. You'll find the Get Started button prominently displayed. Step 2. Create your account. Click on Get Started and fill in the required fields, including your email address, a secure password, and your business name. Make sure you choose a strong password for security purposes. Step 3. Verify your email. After you create your account, check your email inbox for a verification email from Square. Click the link provided in the email to verify your account and complete the setup process. Step 4. Complete your profile. Once your email is verified, log into your Square account. You will be prompted to fill out your business profile. Fill in important details, such as your business address, phone number, and a brief description of your services or products. Step 5. Set up payment information. To start accepting payments, you'll need to set up your bank account information. Navigate to the Account and Settings section and input the required bank details, ensuring that they are accurate to avoid any payment issues. Step 6. Choose your payment method. Select the types of payments you want to accept through Square. Options typically include credit and debit cards, mobile payments, and online transactions. Tailor your settings to match your business needs. Step 7. Customize your Square POS. If you're using Square's point-of-sale system, customize it to fit your business. Add products, set pricing, and even create categories for better organization. This step will streamline your sales process and enhance customer experience. Step 8. Download the Square app. Visit the Apple App Store or Google Play Store to download the Square point-of-sale app. The app will enable you to manage transactions from your mobile device, making it easy to run your small business on the go. Step 9. Test your setup. Before launching, it's crucial to test your account setup. Make a few test transactions to ensure everything functions correctly. This step will help you identify any potential issues in advance. Step 10. Launch your business. Once you've tested your setup and everything is working smoothly, it's time to launch your business. Start promoting your Square payment options to customers and enjoy seamless transactions. Remember, activating your Square Seller account is a straightforward process, and by following these steps, you can have everything set up quickly and efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content that can assist small businesses like yours. Thank you for watching.